Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll show you where to find the fuses guys for the instrument cluster, and you have 3 fuses guys on BMW 3 Series E46. This one should cover the generation from 1998 to 2006. We'll guys have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video and drop a comment below, let us know what you think. So let us show you guys where the fuses are located now. Okay, we need to go on the passenger side, open the door, and right here guys is the glove box compartment of your vehicle. Let me turn the light on so you can see what is happening. So of course you have to open your glove box, just the normal procedure. Right here on top you have 2 things that you need to turn to the outside, like that, and your fuse box will drop down. Now there is 3 fuses guys that we need to check, not just 1 but 3. Okay, what are those fuses now? You can see we have row 1, row 2. On row 1 you can see the numbers printed on top. Row 2 the numbers will be engraved right here on the bottom, but it's hard for me to show you exactly where they are. Now, the first fuse that we need to check guys is fuse number 10. Fuse number 10 will be 5 amp fuse. Okay, this one right here. This is for the instrument cluster. So how you guys remove it? You grab the puller, go on top of the fuse, squish on the front, pull it out. This is your fuse. You can check it and see if it's burnt in most cases, just looking at the fuse. If you can't, we have a video that explains how to test them. This one is definitely a good fuse. You can check out guys in the description of the video below where we get our replacement fuses, the whole kit for very affordable price. So this is fuse number 10. What about other fuses guys? We have fuse number 34. Okay, 34 is the very last one right here, 5 amp fuse. This one is for the instrument cluster as well. And then we guys have one more fuse, which is actually fuse number 43. Okay, 43 will be a 5 amp fuse right here. This is guys fuse number 43. This is for the instrument cluster as well. So all these fuses guys, number 10, 34 and 43 are for the instrument cluster. When you are ready, don't forget guys to install your fuse puller here so you don't forget it later. Close your box so you don't damage it when you put something here, otherwise you can, that thing is expensive and it's hard to replace. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Please guys hit that subscribe button for more videos and see you guys next time. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.